Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. India logs 84,332 new cases, recovery rate rises to 95.07%. The center on Friday said the Covaxin third phase trial data will be released by June 20. This comes after the US Food and Drug Administration decided not to give emergency use authorization to Covaxin and recommended Ocugen Inc., the US partner of the Indian vaccine maker, to go for biologics license application route with that additional data, nixing hopes of EUA. Meanwhile, the center also cautioned the state governments that are easing COVID-related curves to maintain COVID-appropriate behavior to prevent another surge in virus cases. The center on Friday said the Covaxin third phase trial data will be released by the June 20. Dominica High Court denies Mehul Choksi's bill, deems him flight risk. Dominica High Court denied fugitive businessman Mehul Choksi's bail on June 11. Judge Vante Adrian Roberts deemed Choksi a flight risk. In a court on Friday, Choksi's lawyer argued that as CARICOM Caribbean community citizen, he is entitled to bail since his alleged offense is available, one with a fine of $5,000. They asked the court to impose a cash bail. The lawyers also said that their client is unwell and is therefore not a flight risk. However, Advocate Lennox Lawrence, on behalf of the state, opposed Choksi bill on account of him being a flight risk and having an Interpol red notice issued against him. On Choksi's medical condition, Lawrence said it is not an issue because he has received the necessary medical attention. Mehul Choksi had approached the High Court after his bail petition was rejected by the Rossio magistrate. He has been accused of illegally entering the island nation. Additionally, the Dominican government on Thursday declared Choksi a prohibited immigrant in the nation. It's the biggest question: why do some people experience side effects after taking COVID-19 vaccine? Let's see. Many people may experience fatigue, fever, headache, body ache, nausea, and pain at the site of injection after receiving a COVID-19 vaccine shot. However, some people might not see a single side effect after immunization. So, why is that some people get side effects after COVID-19 vaccines and some don't? First of all, the side effects after the COVID-19 vaccination are common. They are temporary and are signs that the immune system is revving up or your body is building protection, a normal response to vaccines. Also, not all human bodies show a similar response to a vaccine shot. Moreover, people might even witness a more intense response after the second dose of vaccine as compared to the first one. When the human body is exposed to the antigen for the first time, it takes time for the immune system to respond and produce antibodies specific to that antigen. Meanwhile, the person is susceptible to becoming ill. The World Health Organization defines antigen is the subpart of the pathogen that causes the formation of antibodies. Also, the antibodies produced in response to the pathogen's antigen after the vaccination are an important part of the immune system. According to news agency Associated Press, this rapid response step of the immune system tends to wane with age. This is one reason why younger people report side effects more often than older adults.